Hi, how to make your company be shown on Google Maps, or how to make a special account for your company on Google Maps. Today's video is about that. First step, you need to Google this. Create business account Google Maps, and you can see this link, Google Business Profile. Then the next step, sign in or manage now. You can do both of them. If you have any companies, you will see this list of your companies. If you don't have any companies, you will be suggested to create your first profile for your company. But I add one more. Then you can see this one. You need to write down business name and business category. Let's do it. This is my testing account. The next step is about customers and their visits. Yes, I want. The next step, choose your region and address of your business. Here you can specify the location of your business with the help of map. Yes, because we are a delivery company. You can write down optionally any areas you have your delivery, but I'm not going to do that because it's a testing company. Then you need to add your telephone number for your customer to connect with your business. Here it's again optional, but I would recommend you to do this because Google can send you special message with a code to protect your company and also to confirm your company. Your last but not the least step is verifying your company. In fact, you can work with maps. Then add any schedules, any working hours, and do what Google asks. Okay, yeah, of course. Let's add messaging. Then you need to write down a description of your business, no more than 750 symbols here. I think it's enough. Please add as many photos as you can. Photos which show your business to your customer. Ensure your customer that your business is successful and manages all the processes they need. Right after this data filling, you can start your first ads on Google. And now we're going to skip this, but in fact, you are available to start now. Now you have a card of your business here. It's like an account on Maps, and there you can read any reviews, you can message with your clients, with your customers, you can add more photos, you can see analytics on performance of this card. On Maps you can advertise here. You also can edit your profile and even close your company on Map. I mean, not in real life, of course. You can see here there are different settings. You can add a new business profile if you have more than only one business. You can ask any support and help from Google. You can send any feedbacks and so on. So if you need, for example, to link any other accounts or remove any business profile, or maybe you have any difficulties with your company, you can change any settings here. For example, here, yeah, you can mark this business as closed if your plans have been changed. So in fact, it's easy to learn and it's easy to manage. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, hit the bell and push the button of subscription.